Earth is the only known planet to live, and we have more than 7.5 billion people. It's very important for us to know that growth rate of our global population is increasing rapidly, and our Mother Earth can't support anymore. Yes, our Mother Earth can't support anymore. Good morning to each and everyone present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary, student of class 7, very thankful for this opportunity to deliver a speech on World Population Day. First of all, I wish you all a very happy World Population Day. World Population Day is a special day to raise awareness of population issues, and this day is celebrated on every 11th of July. The aim of this day is to focus the world's attention on the importance of population issues. My dear friends, we all need to know that why it became required to celebrate World Population Day every year. Why we are celebrating World Population Day today? Simply, we say that population is increasing, that's why we celebrate this day. Dear friends, do we know the current world population is at 7.9 billion as of July 2021, and half of them are starving today because of overpopulation. In such situation, a peaceful world cannot exist. So it's important to control population and stop overcrowding. My dear friends, let us do our part in controlling the population. As a student, what we can do? We can raise awareness. We can convince people that we are running out of space. We should participate in various programs that are organized to raise awareness. My dear friends, let us join our hands to spread awareness to create a sustainable future. Let us help in saving Mother Earth. Let it be spacious, and remember, the Earth is the only planet to live. And here I end my speech. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.